If you've ever wondered, can you lock the OneDrive app? The short answer is that OneDrive on Windows does not have a simple built-in lock app button like you might see on some mobile apps, but there is a practical way to protect your files, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to lock your sensitive OneDrive files using Personal Vault, and how to lock your entire PC so OneDrive becomes inaccessible until you sign back in. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, on your Windows desktop, look at the taskbar and find the Microsoft OneDrive Cloud icon. This is usually located in the system tray area near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Inside the OneDrive window, look for the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it contains the options you need to manage OneDrive security and preferences. Click the gear icon to continue. Now, if you use Personal Vault, you'll want to click Lock Personal Vault. Personal Vault is a special protected area inside OneDrive for storing sensitive files like IDs, passwords, financial documents, or other private information. Once you lock it, those files will no longer be accessible without verifying your identity again. This is the closest thing to locking OneDrive itself for your files. It does not lock the entire app in the traditional sense, but it does protect the most important content inside your account. After you click Lock Personal Vault, your sensitive files inside that vault will be locked. If you try to access them again later, OneDrive will ask you to sign in or verify access before opening them. That extra step gives you a much more secure way to keep private files protected. Now, if your goal is to lock access to your whole computer and make OneDrive inaccessible altogether, there is another simple method. On your keyboard, press Windows plus L. This immediately locks your PC. Once your Windows device is locked, OneDrive cannot be used until you sign back into your computer. This is useful if you're stepping away from your desk, sharing a workspace, or just want to make sure nobody can open your files while you're away. So remember the two main options here. If you want to protect private files, use Lock Personal Vault. If you want to lock everything on the computer, use Windows plus L. That's the best way to think about locking OneDrive on Windows because there isn't a dedicated OneDrive app lock button built in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides. It helps the channel a lot and lets you stay updated with more useful tech tips. And that's it. Now, you know the practical answer to whether you can lock the OneDrive app, and you know exactly how to secure your files using Personal Vault and your Windows lock screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.